Oh, big one. Da, 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 da. Wow. Wow. Blue eyes. Then her hands here. Anything else? Don't think so. Nice. Wow. She doesn't have any eyelashes glued on, but that's fine. Look at, she does have them drawn. The bottom one's painted on. I can always put my own lashes on. Everything. Here are her hands. Focus. Alright, I just got to get the hooks on her tail. Got a magnet right there. I just pop that on. Wow, look at her hands. Have them focus, hopefully. There we go. She's got tiny, like a little buff scratch right there, but like, so she, that's her face. No eyelashes glued on, but they are drawn on the bottom. She, let's see. Yeah. Oh, stick. Yeah. See. Look at that paint. I had gotten the face painted face up. And I really like it. It's just a natural lip, a little bit of blushing and lipstick and blushing on the ears, and that's it. And yeah, they can do this or that. She can sit down or stand up. Let me do it this way here. She can sit down. She can stand up. It's a very beautiful purple, and some photos and videos, it was like never, it's hard to determine. I don't know if purple used to be kind of grayish, because sometimes they look really gray, but this is a very beautiful purple. It's not vibrant, but there's a lot of, like, I think sanding marks, but I guess it's just something, you know, they always say, and here's just a couple scuff marks, but this is a lot of, yeah, you can see there's a lot of, like, through here, a lot of scuffing. A little bit there, and yeah, basically throughout her horse body there's a lot of scuffing. Not there's some here, most of it's there. Otherwise she is very, and a little bit there, but otherwise she is very beautiful. I got her tail downstairs. She can hunch. This, yep, rotates. Oh, here, and then yeah, there's a joint there as well. Yeah, so she can, like, bend pretty well, but, like, yeah. All right. Not easy to do with one hand per se, because those legs, the front ones especially, keep wanting to kick. She's wild horse and not used to being in a home. So she keeps wanting, oops, sorry, keeps wanting to kick. Now we can see the hands. She has very long fingers, very long fingernails, very delicate hands. It's got the hand lines too. Both of them are like that. It's got detailed abs and everything. The wig I had a couple wigs picked out for her. One's too big, one's too small. The other one fits just right, but won't stay because of, but is a short wig and won't stay because of the ears. I'm thinking maybe if I had a long wig that would work, or I get a wig cap for her and cut out for the ears. I might have to make one, but like I've never made one before. As I've stated before, she does not have any eyelashes glued on. Just the bottom one's painted on. So she has a shoulder joint. She has the shoulder joint, the elbow joint, wrist joint. Hands came separately, so I had to put them on, but that's fine because I have a hook to do that. She has a joint, you know, she has this joint and she has that joint. The legs have a joint. The body here has a joint. As you can see. She can stand on 3 legs. Oh, apparently she can do that. This is magnetic. All right, she wants to demonstrate with this leg. That's fine. There are joints here, joints at the knee, and joints, a joint here and here, as I will show you here on this foot that she has pushed out herself to demonstrate with. So you can move that around. Not front and back. I mean, you can move it front and back, but not side to side. And I thought this was jointed, but it's not. Just that. Wait, no, it is slightly, I think. Yeah, this rotates. That's what I thought. Yeah, that's jointed. That's the extent of the leg. Because then you can just move this one back and move that. She can this can move in. I'm doing all this one-handed. There it goes. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, so we put her down. We rotate the leg it's supposed to go. See? That's the full leg articulation here. Extended, straight, and bent. As you can see. So if we, and then we bend this one, and then we bend this one, and this has the articulation of the front too, of course. It can move front and a little bit towards the back, but the fur stops it. And of course, this rotates as well. And she can sit. I mean, I'm sure she could sit better than that. And I can just pop her tail back on. There we go. I have a shirt that is a little too small and a shirt that's way too big. This one here is a little baggy on her, but it's what I'm going to be putting on her in the meantime until I try to find a halter top to tie on here.